Hey guys, what's going on? It's me again, Joby, and welcome back to my channel. I was a little preoccupied in real life that I wasn't able to produce new contents or tutorials. If you noticed, I also made a little upgrade in my microphone for a better audio quality. My audio now sounds way better than my previous video. The gear I am using is the BM800 condenser microphone. If you're interested, I have the link posted down in the description below. Okay, so let's go back to our topic. In this video, we're going to create a simple interactive door that we can use in our scenes. I have here a simple door made in 3ds Max. In general, before exporting our assets, we have to make sure that it's properly unwrapped and the unit is in centimeter. The most important thing to consider in creating an interactive door is its pivot point. The pivot point must be placed to the location of your door hinges. We're going to export it in two parts, the door frame and the door panel. The reason is that we only want the door panel to rotate and not the frame. Okay, so let's jump into Unreal Engine. We're now here in Unreal Engine and we're going to import the FBX files that we had. First is we need to create a folder here. We're going to name it door, but I already have a door folder here, so we're going to delete this one. We're going to create a new blueprint. Right click here, blueprint class, and select actor. Let's name it door 3. Open the blueprint by double clicking. Okay, let's import our meshes. Select, click and drag it here. Okay, arrange accordingly. We're going to delete our door frame because we don't need it to be rotated as well. Okay, if you notice this white sphere here, this is the origin. This is our pivot point. Now if you notice, we're going to click this door panel and rotate it. If you notice, the door handle doesn't rotate as well, so we're going to select our door lever and the lever knobs, click and drag to panel only. Now they are linked. Okay, compile and save. Next is to create our display text. Let's go here, add component, text, center, alignment is also center. Move it front. Let's replace our text. Okay, so unhide, compile, save. Let's go to event graph, select the box, right click, select begin overlap. Set visibility of the text render. Check. Enable input. Get player controller. Next, select the box and overlap. Let's click the set visibility and press Ctrl W to duplicate. Text render, target, connect. For this one, we're going to use disable input. Compile and then save. Next, create a variable. Set door panel. Duplicate. Create flip-flop. Connect. Check. Create a timeline. Let's name it swing. Put the other one in reverse. Double click the timeline. Add float track. Let's set our time into 1.5 seconds. Right click here and add curve float. Go back to 0. Add another one. At 1.5 it opens 90 degrees. Right click and auto. Okay. Back to the event graph. Set world rotation for the panel only. This one. Make rotator, unlink and move it to Z. Return here. Okay, that's it. Let's check. Okay, so let's double check our graph. Set visibility for the end overlap. Let's uncheck this one. And then let's... Okay. And our text render, let's make this one as a child for panel. So when we rotate the panel or the panel swing, the text render will follow. Let's check. Let's check our door frame and our new blueprint. Click and drag. Let's move it to 0 axis, 0. And then this one, move accordingly. Okay, that's it. Let's check. The text is working. If you press F, the door opens. If you press again, it closes. I think this one is good. Let's go and create another type of door for this one. Automatic. To create another type of door, let's duplicate door 3, Ctrl W, and door 4. Let's open. We need to remove this one and this one. We don't need this one. This one. Let's connect to play and reverse. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's check. Yep, it opens automatically and closes automatically. Let's open. Press F. Open. Press F to close. And open again. It opens. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it guys. If you find this video very helpful to you, you may like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.